Are you bothered by calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp? If you want to get rid of unwanted calls and keep your peace, WhatsApp offers a simple option that lets you silence all calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable this feature and stop the disturbances. If you'd like to learn how to do this, keep watching. Here's how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp app. Once you're in the app, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them. In the menu that appears, select Settings. When you're in the settings, find the Privacy option and tap on it to open it. Once you're on the Privacy settings page, scroll down, find the Calls option, and tap on it. In this section, you'll see the Silence Unknown Callers option. Tap the switch next to it to enable it. Once you do this, calls from numbers that are not saved in your phone's contacts will be silenced, but they'll still be visible in your call history. And that's it for this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like it, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, see you very soon in my next video.